students, in today's session 1, we will be studying about the paper, board, corrugated packaging from unit 2. Here we will be able to categorize the paper, the board and the corrugated packaging and the process of conversion of the paper or the board and its machineries. Here is the table of content that we will be studying about these topics in future, and these are all the remaining topics that will be covered in our future sessions. Firstly, we will begin with the first topic, cartons. What is cartons? A carton is a box or a container, also called as a packaging, that is usually made of paperboard or corrugated fiber board. These boxes helps in easy storage, easy dispensing, easy transportation, also gives the best protective functions for the products. These cartons are also known as folding cartons. Why it is called as folding cartons? The carton that have an ability to fold to its any angle to convert it to a box, thus forming a structure or a profile to carry, to protect, to store the product. These cartons are most and widely used in many type of industries and various products packaging. Also, these cartons are used in food industries, pharmaceutical industries, hardware industries, electronic industries and many other industries where the utmost protective function is required. Here are the carton styles that are usually preferred for product packaging. These various varieties or styles of cartons are selected with respect to the product and their quantity of the product, size of the product, depending upon the size and shape of the product. And the styles of cartons is named as rectangular sleeve, straight tuck boxes, reverse tuck boxes, autolock bottom boxes, crash bottom boxes, two-piece boxes, tuck top boxes, display boxes, 5-panel hanger boxes and boxes with cutouts and inserts. Here we get to learn the parts of carton. The parts of the carton are very much interrelated to each other, wherein each part is named or given a nomenclature for the panels. Firstly, we will be knowing about the glue flap. The glue flap is the panel wherein it is attached to the right side panel to form a sleeve. Meanwhile, the perforations that are visible in this picture is the crease lines that helps in folding of the paper board to form a 90-degree angle for it to become a sleeve. Next comes the rear panel. Rear panel is the back panel. Rear panel is always measured with length. Also, the front panel is also measured in terms of length. It is important to maintain the rear panel and the front panel to be with same dimensions. Next comes the left side panel and the right side panel. The left side panel and the right side panel also should be related to each other so that it makes a perfect sleeve shape, thus forming a folding carton. And here the rear panel and also the front panel carries the top closure panel and bottom closure panel, wherein these two closure panels also folded in 90-degree angle to give a closure to the sleeve, and wherein the tuck flap is also attached to both the top and bottom closure panels with a curvy textures on either sides of the tuck flap. This curvy texture or the curvy profile helps in creating friction during closing and opening of the box or the folding carton. Next is the dust flaps. Dust flaps should always be 50% to the front panel or the rear panel so that it helps in easy and a good coverage and good closing of the flaps. This dust flap is related to the front panel as well as the side panels. Also, these nomenclatures and these dimensional measurements are to be considered in designing every folding carton. Firstly, we will be studying about the first carton style, that is rectangular sleeve. This rectangular sleeve is a box that has no ends, that wraps around the product or the container. Also, this type of sleeve can be customized for any size and shape. Also, this type of sleeve gives protection to all types of boxes. And mostly these type of rectangular sleeves can be used in various product packaging. Maybe it is small quantity boxes or a larger quantity boxes or a medium quantity boxes. This box or a rectangular sleeve can slide easily over the product or the box. Let us take an example where this rectangular sleeve is used. This rectangular sleeve is that we can see in our day-to-day lives, that is matchbox. A simple example is a matchbox wherein this sleeve and the tray is pushed inside the rectangular sleeve so that the sticks can be dispensable easily every time. This box is mostly ideal for products such as matchsticks, jewelries. Also, this sleeve is very cost effective, uses very less paper. This thus helping in easy sliding of the tray in and out. Also, this gives a compact storage. Straight tuck boxes. The straight tuck boxes are one of the most common type of boxes that can be packed with various products such as food industry, pharmaceutical industry, electronics and lot more. This style is ideal for lightweight and medium weight products, wherein assembly of this folding carton is very easy. It can be manually assembled or it can be assembled in the machine also, glued and machining. It can be assembled in machine also. This straight tuck has more compact. It can hold cutouts without compromising its integrity. The slit locks that are present on the closure flap helps in creating the friction while opening and closing. Also, the cost could be little higher than the other styles of boxes. Reverse tuck boxes. The reverse tuck boxes are very similar to that of straight tuck boxes, but except for the closing panels. Let us closely observe why this is called as reverse tuck boxes. In the previous style, we noticed that both the closure panels was attached to one panel, top and bottom, wherein in reverse tuck the closure panels are attached. Each one of the closure flaps are attached to each of the front panel and the rear panel. This helps in closing the panel easily. Dispensing becomes easy, while it is ideal for light and medium products. It has a compact storage. Also, these, as I told you earlier, the slit locks helps in friction closing of the folding carton. Auto-lock bottom. This auto-lock bottom boxes are specially designed to hold heavier goods or heavier products. The auto-lock bottom flaps push into each other, forming a very sturdy base that will never open under the heavy weight of the product when placed inside the folding carton. This is also called as 1, 2, 3 bottom boxes. These boxes are ideal for heavy products. Usually this is assembled in 3 steps. Also, this has a compact storage, and also it safeguards the product inside. Crash bottom boxes. The crash bottom boxes, or it is also called as auto lock bottom. It is the yet another best choice or good choice to package for heavier products that need extra bottom support. And this type or this variety of style is ideal for heavier products. Here this box is pre-glued from the bottom for its extra strength, and the compact storage becomes easy for transportation, and it can hold cutouts also. One piece tuck top boxes. This one piece, the name itself insists that there is one paperboard used to design this package, this folding carton. This tuck top boxes is very strong and durable boxes which has side walls that fits to wide variety of products. Also, it can be used for displaying products in the same box also. We would have come across many sweet boxes packing in the similar styles. Here in this folding carton, the tuck tabs forming a friction lock helps in good closure of the flap. Also, there are side walls that gives a tray kind of look to this box. So this is easy in assembling the folding carton, that gives extra strength, and also it can be stored easily, transported easily. Also, it can hold cutouts. Two-piece boxes. Here the name, the two-piece, insists that two different paperboards are used to make a box. The top acts as a closure, or it is also called as a lid, wherein the bottom box is called as a tray. This two-piece boxes are elegant packaging, are the best solution that works for any kind of product, any type of goods. This folding carton is mostly used for luxury products, sweets and assortments, or kits with multiple products of same brand. This is ideal for wide range of products, both tray and lid, that can be used for displays. And the best example that we can give to this style of box is the package or the box that used for packing crackers. Display boxes. Display boxes are the top boxes that refers to the box or the folding carton that has two different purposes. One is for display and the other one as a package. This package helps in easy dispensing, that easily the consumer or the customer can grab the product himself from the pack. This type of display boxes are easily dispensable. This can be customized to any profile. This design can be made smaller in size as well as bigger in size. Thus, this will have a visual impact over the product, wherein the top box panel may contain various artworks or the product information that communicates to the consumer about the product. This style can be easily be assembled, and then also it can hold a cutouts. Next is the 5-panel hanger box. This 5-panel hanger box is also carrying a style of reverse tuck end box with a hanger panel that helps in hanging the product. Also, the panel is extended from the back panel. The hanger shape or the profile is made a cutout such that the package can be hanged in the market shelves. The examples of this type of packaging is, we would have come across the packaging of various products such as socks and many other products that we come across in the supermarkets that are hanged for a visual display. Usually this type of packaging consists of the cutouts, where a clear visual appearance of the product will be visible to the consumer. The color, the texture, the print of the product will be visible from the cutout that is provided for this style of package. This package or this style can be fully customized and it can be easily be assembled. Now, boxes with inserts. An insert is a piece of paperboard that is cut to accommodate a product inside such that the mobility of the product is stopped inside the package. Mobility is something that the product movement is stopped, wherein this type of boxes helps to secure the product with the folding carton. Also, lightweight or fragile products or breakable products that needs to stay without any movement inside the pack. Also, this can help in arranging multiple products of the same brand with smaller sizes in the same box. The features is that it can be custom made to fit exactly the size and shape of the box. Now, the advantages of folding carton. The advantages here, it says that the folding cartons are mostly made of paper, which is much cheaper than metals, plastic, glass and other materials. This folding cartons can be stored and easily transported, which saves the space in the warehouse, land area and transportation. Also, this folding carton is suitable for various printing methods. The surface of the carton is manufactured such that it is accepted for various varieties of printing methods or printing technologies such as gravure, letterpress and lithographic printing processes. Thus, the cartons can have various colors, various artworks on them with various printing processes. This folding cartons, converting a flat folding carton to a box, can also be automated. Also, it can be manually also be assembled. And the folding carton has a very simple structure. Mostly, the folding carton consists of cuts and creases, wherein the crease areas are punched such that the crease lines or the crease areas be easily be folded to 90-degree angle, thus forming a box, and is suitable for filling and sealing on the automated machinery, and also manually filling and sealing also can be done. Also, this folding cartons helps in various range of products in terms of transportation, storage, warehouse. Also, at the end of the sales, once the consumer buys the product, it will be easy for dispensing also. Next advantage is it can be recycled. This folding carton or the paperboard boxes can be recycled to protect our environment. This also acts as environmentally friendly material which can be recycled and also reused after the usage. End of session 1. Thank you.